Ever wondered how to make the perfect chicken fajita bowl at home? Chicken fajita bowls are the epitome of versatility, fitting flawlessly into lunch, dinner, or even as a hearty snack. They're brimming with flavor, health, and satisfaction. Well, today I'll guide you through the process of making one. First off, gather all the necessary ingredients. We'll need chicken breast, vibrant bell peppers, sweet onions, a medley of spices, fluffy rice, hearty beans, and your choice of toppings like rich cheese, creamy sour cream, or tangy guacamole. Now that we have everything, let's move on to the cooking process. Start by cooking the chicken. This is the heart of your fajita bowl. Season the chicken generously with your favorite spices, making sure every piece is well coated. Place the seasoned chicken onto a hot pan and let it sizzle. Flip it occasionally, ensuring all sides are browned and the inside is no longer pink. Remember, the key is to cook it thoroughly for safety and flavor. Once your chicken is perfectly cooked, set it aside, and let's proceed to the vegetables. Next, we're going to sauté our vegetables. Grab your bell peppers and onions, and let's get them in the pan. You'll want to stir them occasionally to ensure they are cooking evenly. We're aiming for tender, slightly caramelized veggies that will add a sweet yet savory note to our fajita bowls. Remember, patience is the key to achieving that perfect caramelization. It's a game of low and slow. Once your vegetables are cooked to your liking, put them aside. We're almost done. Now comes the fun part, assembling your fajita bowl. Let's start building our culinary masterpiece. Lay down a foundation of fluffy, steamed rice. Next, add a hearty layer of beans, warm and full of flavor. Now, it's time for the star of the show, our beautifully cooked chicken, followed by a rainbow of sizzling vegetables. To top it all off, sprinkle your choice of extras, maybe a dollop of sour cream, a sprinkling of cheese, a splash of salsa. And there you have it, your very own homemade chicken fajita bowl. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash your culinary creativity and try making your own fajita bowl. Remember, this dish is a canvas for your taste buds, so feel free to customize it. Enjoy your delicious homemade chicken fajita bowl. Bon appetit!